Okay, first possession is in round two. Good. Number two, 4-1. Foul. Foul number 4, pushing foul. Number 4, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 4, number 2, kicks. Nice pass. Ten to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5. Good. Foul number 8. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 8 for 3. 3 points. Number 8. When you score 5-0. Foul. The foul number 8. First personal foul, second team foul. Yes, 14 to shoot. Number 2, good run, good. We set 14. Bravo, retaliation. Number 2 for 3. Number 4. Number 7. Still by number 8. The number 4 by the number 2. Good. Number 4. Number 1. Foul. Number 2. First person that foul, 13 foul. This is foul. Number 2. Number 4. Break for 3. Number 1. Number 2. Nice pass. Number 1, 2 points. Roses. Number 8. What did you do? 2 points. Number 8. What did you do? 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 3. First person to foul, 14 foul. This is Bravo. Good by number 8. Number 2, rather. 2 by number 1. Still. Number one. Number one. Foul by number 5. Timeout process. Number 5, 15 foul. Yes, foul.
Sino na? Joke lang. Eh. Ay, kanina. Okay. Ito? Oo.
Dry basket.
Magkasunod ang mga nila. Halos. Kasi last na yun eh.
Number 2. Number 4. Number 2. 3 points. Number 6. And score 6. Number 4. And number 8. 3 points.
Good one, Sean! Good one!
Substitution only. Foul number 8. Taking foul number 8. Second personal fouls. Warning for penalty. Number 1. 3 seconds left.
Good!
3 points. Number 2. Number 2. Number 7.
Good one.
Number 8 for 3.
Good one, Ati!
Number 5.
Hindi tuloy ako makasunod.
Number 6. Good. 1. Foul. Foul number 0.
Makasunod sa list.
First personal foul. Second foul.
See? Grabe. Good job, boys.
14.
Laban.
Zero by number 1. Number 1. Number 1. 2 points.
Good!
Number 8 for 3 points. Number 1. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 1 for 3. Good. Play by number 7. Pull up. Play by good. And number 2. Number 2. Nice goal. Good. Number 1. Number 3. Out of bounds. Number 8 for 3. Good. Number 3. Love. Number 1. You got 2 points. Number 1. Please, seconds, violation.
Mapagsipin siya nagre-review.
18-10. 8-1 Bravo. Number 8.
Shoot!
Number 3. 2 points. Dominate. Number 1.
Good!
Number 3 for 3. No good. Love.
Good man, Sam!
And number 5. Out of bounds.
Hindi yan pinapapasok dito. Kikita ko yung kilay mo.
Number 2 for 3. Good. Rebound. 0. Then number 1. Number 1. Number 6. Number 3. Lock. Rebound.
Sam!
And number 8.
Good ball!
Number 8. Number 1.
Good man, James!
Number 7.
Good ball!
They only scored 24-10. They go up. Yes, they go.
Terminate ka.
First edition.
Good ball!
Foul. Foul number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. First game foul.
May bago na naman na dumating.
No.
Kasi nasa airport pero yung ibang kasama nila kanina. Ano pero bakit ang all palit lang sila ng lahat. Sila ready tayo. Good one, Jade. Good one. Lauren!
Number 1. Number 7. 2 points. Number 1. Number 7. Nice play. 2 points by number 7. Number 2. Number 7.
Ay,
Score edition. Number 2. Good. Number 5. Number 14.
go, Jade.
Number 7 for 3 points. Number 7.
Hindi na sigaw. Hindi dito.
Number 2. Number 1. 2 points. Number 1 and number 4. Step up. 3, no good. Rebound number 5. Number 5 and number 7. Again, save ball. Again, good. Rebound number 7. Number 1. Number 1. 2 points. Number 5. Then number 1. Foul. Number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. First team foul. This is. Number 2. 2 points. Foul number 5. Time number 5. Second foul. Time out. Yes, bro. Number 2. Number 3. Number 18, number 4 out. Number 1, good rebound. Number 7, and number 5, and number 2. Foul and 1. Foul, passing down, foul number 1. Number 1 first personal foul, team foul.
Katalikod silang lahat. Coach, ano ba? Technical one. Out of the play.
Three-point play.
Sinuwan pala yun eh.
Steal by number 3. Oh, nice. So by number 4. Number 4. Then number 8. Number 5.
Good one.
Foul number 8. Third personal foul. Number 8. Second team foul.
Pa-award na yan ng cellphone. Ito siya ng birthday niya.
Two for 2 and number 5.
Sabi ko,
Seven digit.
cellphone mo hindi maka-WhatsApp. Grabe lang. Good one shot.
Number 5, foul. Number 6. So, this is first person of round 14 foul. This is number 8. Foul number 8, third. Warning for foul out, number 8, fourth personal foul. Third team foul, Ross.
Yung basher, tutok na tutok.
First round, basket. Number 5. 2 for 2. Number 5. Number 6. Foul. Foul number 4.
Position
Second
naman.
personal foul. Warning for penalty. DJ.
4 na siya? Position. Hindi, pangalawa pa lang.
Still got number 2. Number 2. Scale. Number 3. Pass to Ross. Number 2. Number 6. Number 6.
Good, guys.
Number 7. And number 3 for 3. Good. Number 6. Good again. Out of bounds up.
Bala ata yan sa nanay. Ina.
Number 8 for 3.
Si Ate daw matalino.
Magulang kasi.
Sabi ng ano.
Sabi ko kanina ba? Sa tatay sila. Bigay sa tatay na.
Number 6.
Kaibig. Good one! Good!
Oh, hindi nakalabas.
Oh, Ben!
Foul. Number 4. Number 4. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Saan?
See you one.
First round. Basket. Number 2. Nice last pass to number 4. Number 7. Number 6. Still by number 4. To number 6. 2 points. Substitution. Number 4. Number 1. Number 7. Number 1 for 3. Good by number 6. And number 7. Good by number 0. Foul. Number 3. Number 3. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Hindi yung si Itin?
Grabe matatapos ng joke.
Semoga basket. the last. Great. 3 seconds more. Foul number 0. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Number 4. 2 points, number 0. To number 2. To number 8. Congratulations, Jesse Bravo.